Hello guys, this is Tarun Kumar Vishwanathan and Lokesh Balaji Parameswaran from Northeastern University. This is a brief presentation of our Algorithmic Digital Marketing final presentation. The problem statement that we have addressed for this project is to provide an Apple iPhone review system where we offer a system for the customers through which they get to know about the previous reviews given by the customers about the smartphone they are planning to buy. Similar such website is a Comparify website where the user will be able to get reviews, prices, and specs of the product that they are planning to buy. The system will give an insight to the customer by paying special attention to previous user reviews and providing overview of the product.
Moving on to the architecture and the tools part, the initial for the data ingestion part, we have used a Snowflake for this project. The data to the Snowflake has come from the data processing part that we have done in the Jupyter notebook through the dataset that we have gathered from the Kaggle website. The dataset that we have used for the project is Apple iPhone review database, and for the training the NLP model that we have used the IMDb dataset. Both this dataset has been gathered from the Kaggle website, and after the data pre-processing part, we have done the sentiment analysis and also the NLP model that is regarding to the uh, final output of the project. And the sentiment analysis part has been sent to the Snowflake through the ETL pipeline in the Snowflake, where we have gone through the querying part and we have downloaded the query and the dataset from the Snowflake, and that dataset has been used for the visualization part, that which has been done in Tableau. In this case, we have used two dashboards to visualize the meaningful insight for this dataset. In the first graph, we came to know that the total amount of positive views and the negative reviews that has been gathered for a particular model, and this graph specifies the which model has gathered the more number of positive and as well as the negative reviews. And also we have gathered the total number of positive, negative as well as the neutral reviews that has been gathered for the whole database. And from the whole database that we have handled, we have got some 20,000 reviews, in which 15,000 has been positive reviews, and 3,000 to the 4,000 has been negative and has been neutral, and 2,000 reviews has been negative reviews. And in this case, we have handled 12 models for this data set. And then moving on to the Streamlit application part, we'll be using on account of prompt through which we will host the Streamlit application. Here we go.
Uh, this is the Streamlit application which we have hosted for the iPhone review system. Here we have implemented a form where the user can input the model name, uh, the storage capacity, and the color of the model for which the user wants to see the reviews for. After giving their inputs, the user will be displayed all the reviews which were given by the previous users. So here, the model selected by the user is the Apple iPhone 7, 32 GB, and the color is black. We have got the overall set of reviews given by previous users for the same model, and we have also showed the total number of positive reviews for the model and the total number of negative reviews for the model. So, through this, the user will be able to get an overall view of how the product has done well in the market and how it has. Been declined in the market.
And we have also implemented an option to show the training data that we have handled for this application, for working of this application. And also we have implemented an one more option to the customer, where either you can choose only the positive reviews regarding to the mobile phone, or only the negative reviews regarding to the smartphone. For example, in this case, when you go to the negative, you want to check the negative reviews of the mobile phone that the customer handled, that is Apple iPhone 732 GB black. And here you can see the reviews that have been populated, that is regarding to the negative sentiment analysis that we have done. For example, this is the review that we can over and show you, and this is the overall application that we have built based on the data set that we have taken and based on the approach that we have handled.
So the future scope of this product will be to implement NLP based search engine, which would uh, where we would implement or insert more smartphone models into the system.
And the overall motive of this project is to provide an review system for the customer for the better involvement and the better approach to buy a smartphone, based upon the previous users review and the overall on getting to know the overview of the product that they are going to buy. Hope you guys like it, and please share your feedback about this ML project and how we can enhance it more for the future scope. Thank you.